Hey, how we doing, kids? Found this at the store today. Kind of hard to resist. I got a hanger of Bowman Platinum yesterday, and I got a Boba Fett out of it, so I was kind of pleased with that. And then I saw this, I was like, okay. I'm not sure what they call this, the mega box, or I'm not sure, but looks like it's got 2 chartreuse parallels and 1 autograph inside. May contain redemption cards with expiration dates. The exclusive trading card for Major League Baseball. So it's got 23 cards inside. And not cheap. So kind of interested to see what we got here, guys. So without further ado, let's do this. So I see a lot of breakers that usually just cut right into their box, like cut the box itself. I decided I'm not going to do that because I keep the boxes. I use them for backgrounds, but I also use them for shipping. This is just 1 pack. And I like that. So see what we got here, shall we? DD Gregorius. And that's one thing about these cards is the names. The player picture goes over their name, their last name at least, and their first name is like barely there. So DD Gregorius. Buster Posey. Blake Snell. Now, last time followed after a Blake Snell was a Boba Fett. We figured you out. Bowman Platinum. Sweet. So this is my second Bowman Platinum Boba Fett. It's kind of a tongue twister. Definitely happy about that. I mean, it's almost like the exact same pack that I got earlier in the hanger. That's funny. I need to find that hanger box and see if it has the same amount of cards in it. Because the hanger was $20. This thing here was $45, but it's probably due to the auto. Rookie card of Jordan Yamamoto. And I'll sleeve that. I like to sleeve all the rookies. Gavin Lux. Rookie. That's decent. Corey Kluber. Yeah, here we go. Rookie of the Year. Kyle Lewis. I am greeting both Boba Fett and Kyle Lewis. if I ever send them in. I do have about 200 cards that I need to send in somewhere, but I can't decide what I want to do. This guy's good too. Jesus Luzardo. Sweet. He's good. Noah Syndergaard. Xander Bogaerts. Jacob Amaya. I have a hard time reading these. Logan Davidson is the auto. Oakland. Well, it seems like he's a rookie. Maybe he's a prospect. But on the back it has his minor league batting record, so that does indicate, maybe he's not a rookie yet because maybe he hasn't been called up, but a prospect nonetheless. Logan Davidson, auto, Bowman Platinum. William Contreras. Terran Vavra. Adam Kloffenstein. Mason Martin. Alec Manoah. Alexander Canario. Josh Smith. Ryan Jensen. Brett Beatty. And CJ Abrams. I consider that a success. I haven't looked on the back to see if there's any serial numbers or any of that. I do notice some of them look different on the back. Then, so I have to figure out what the differences are. But of course, some of them look like this on the back, and then some look like that. I'm not sure, but these are the green. You can see these are green. These two. Don't see any different colored ones. Chartreuse. Ah, that's what that is. Okay. I better should have known better. I got a couple chartreuse parallels. Anyways, that there is the Bowman Platinum. Big backs. We got Bo Bichette, Kyle Lewis, and the autograph, Logan Davidson. Decent. And that was short and painless, kids. That's the video. See you.